Hello everyone. The PR and Branding Committee brings to you a brand new episode of Simsa Radio. I, Archita Malhotra,
and I, Sakshi Kapoor,
welcome you all to another episode of our series, Events Sneak Peek. In this series, we will be glimpsing behind the scenes which nobody has access to, sharing the gossip which everybody enjoys, and extracting every bit of information from our responsible and fun guests, who are an integral part of the core team.
In this episode, we will be featuring Rishabh Arif, co-convener of National Retail Summit, the flagship event of retail management. Hi Rishabh.
Hey Sakshi.
We also have in our panel Krisha Sanghvi, the co-convener of FORCE for the Global Supply Chain Management Conference. Hi Krisha.
Hi Sakshi. Hi Archita.
Now let's start with the questions. Tell us something about your team and its flagship event.
NRS or National Retail Summit 2021 is the flagship event of the retail management program of our institute. Every year, the first year students of retail management organize this event, and this year will be marked as the 13th edition of the event. Our entire batch of 64 students take part in organizing this event. The batch is a mix of freshers and experienced people with expertise in various areas like marketing, creatives, business development, sponsorship, content curation, and many other fields. We have 24 members in the core team. For the last 2 months, this dream team has been tirelessly preparing to make NRS a great success. Every year, NRS revolves around a particular theme. Our theme for this year is Retail Rebound, which stands for how the retail industry has evolved over the years, especially in the last couple of years post the pandemic. We are going to primarily focus on how the brick and mortar industry is going to amalgamate with the online retail industry.
So we belong to the Forum of Operations, Research and Supply Chain Enthusiasts, also known as FORCE Committee. We're a family of 70 students from various backgrounds, and we all come together to take this forum to a higher level each year. Of the many events we organize and host, we also host the flagship event of the Operations and Supply Chain Department of KG Institute of Management, that is the Global Supply Chain Management Conference. So what exactly is this conference? So this conference aims to provide an interdisciplinary forum for industry professionals, researchers, and academicians to present and discuss the strengths, the weaknesses, the challenges and opportunities in the comprehensive areas of supply chain management. The conference also allows academics, industry representatives, and students to present their research papers on different topics and have insightful discussions with the panelists. So GSAM has a legacy of 8 years, and the theme for this year revolves around intelligent supply chain. GSAM is scheduled to be held on 10th of December 2021 this year.
Great. And I think both the events will for sure give great insights to all of us.
The next question for you guys is, what type of different programs will be held within these flagship events?
We have 4 major sub-events within NRS 2021. There is a retail-related case study competition called Kurishi. It is divided into 3 rounds. 2 rounds of the same are already over, and we are looking forward to the final battle in the 3rd round, which is to be held on the 8th of December. The next is a brand strategy competition called Brandomania. This one also has 3 rounds. Again, 2 of them are already over, and we will have the 3rd and final round on the 9th of December. Students from premier B schools of the country have participated in these competitions. Next, we have panel discussion. Personally, this is the event that I'm looking forward to the most. We have a panel of 5 top-notch industry leaders who will be speaking about the theme and transformation of retail industry. The industry has a lot of segments, and all of these panelists will be representing various segments and will be speaking about the transformation in their own segments. This one will be covered live in all our social media channels, and in fact, a retail journalist, Ms. Soumya Gupta of ET Prime, is going to moderate the panel. Throughout the 2 days of the event, we have Retail Mela, which will be a fun and game session. Throughout the 2 days, we have planned a lot of games for the audience and attendees, and we are sure that people will have a lot of fun.
So as a part of the Global Supply Chain Management Conference, we have our keynote speaker, Ms. Bindya Vakil from Resilink Corporation. She's the CEO founder of Resilink Corporation, which is a global leader for supply chain visibility and resiliency, intelligence and analytics. Followed by our chief guest's addressal, Dr. Sachin Kamble, who is a professor of strategy in operations and supply chain management at EDHEC Business School, France. He also holds a PhD in management. This will be followed by a Corporate Insights session wherein we'll have speakers from really huge names like GEP and Deloitte, and they'll be giving their insights into the corporate world. Post which we will be having paper presentation session wherein we've received a lot of research papers from all across the globe, and selected few papers will get people will get an opportunity to present their papers before the panel of judges. This will be followed by a roundtable conference, and this year's roundtable conference boasts of a lot of huge brands like Epiroc, Mahindra Logistics, Apple, Reliance Industries, etc. And last but not the least, there will be an opportunity for Sanrachna Case Study Competition winners to present their case before the panelists. So Sanrachna Case Study Competition was conducted right before GSCM in association with GSCM, and the winners will get a chance to present their case there. And that's how the entire conference looks like for the day.
That's wonderful, and I'm sure the audience will be glad to know about all these exciting events.
So, Krisha, since you mentioned and emphasized about the chief guest, so my next question to you guys will be more related to that. Can you tell more about the dignitary who will be the chief guest of these flagship events for both the events?
Oh, of course. We actually have two very prominent personalities who will be inaugurating the event. Our keynote speaker is Mr. Harshvardhan Chauhan, who is the Vice President, Chief Marketing and Omnichannel Officer at Spencer Retail and Nature's Basket. Our guest of honor is Mr. Sayak Arun. He is in fact an alumni of our college and has done MBA in marketing in the year 2006 from KG Somaiya Institute of Management. He's currently working as the retail head at BlackBerry Spencer. Both of these guests will be delivering speeches during the inauguration of NRS 2021 on the 8th of December between 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m.
So our honorable chief guest for the day is Dr. Sachin Kamble, who is a professor of strategy in operations and supply chain management at EDHEC Business School, France. He holds a PhD in management, and he's also authored and co-authored 50 publications in referred international journals. He's been a consultant to leading manufacturing organizations like Parley, ACC, Mundra Ports and SEZ, Indo-Gulf Fertilizers, BPCL, Kochi Refinery, RCF, GSK, etc. He's also had associations with HDFC Bank, Apollo Tyres, L&T Electricals, etc.
Inspiring, and really I can't wait to pick up brains of such an inspiring industry experts.
So now I have an interesting question for you guys. If you could switch your position to one of the vertical heads, then which one would you prefer, and why that vertical specifically?
Well, this question is very tricky because for us, I think every vertical is as exciting as the next one, to be honest. But for me, if I really have to choose one, then that will be panel discussion. As our heads and co-heads of the team, not just the heads and co-heads, the entire team, gets a chance to interact with these industry leaders. And they are the ones who approach these people and bring them on board for NRS. With Sakshi here, she's the co-head of the panel discussion team, and she knows this better than anyone. The chance to interact with these people and doing something like this will be an excellent opportunity and experience at the same time.
Actually, I really like this question. So thank you for the question. So having been a part of various verticals, I would like to specifically say that I would love to be a part of the events vertical, because you get to organize so many events, big or small, and being a part of events right from scratch and up till the D-Day is always really very interesting and a lot to learn from. And it just does not encompass the planning and execution phase, but it also involves a lot of interactions, learnings, rejections, challenges, connecting with corporates, teamwork, a lot of leadership qualities that you explore of yourself, and also a lot of leadership qualities you imbibe from others. A lot of empathy, or how to empathize with people. All of this coming together is what is required to put up the final show. So right from ideation to execution is a roller coaster. So I feel it would be, I would get to learn a lot, and that is the reason why I would love to head an events vertical.
So now I have one curious question. Since these events are there from a very long time, so what makes this event different this year, different and special from the previous years?
So last year, as everybody knows, because of the pandemic, we had a very extraordinary situation in our hands, and our seniors did a splendid job in organizing NRS 2022. Last year was the first time that NRS was held in online. This year, we are continuing the legacy and we are aiming to raise the bar quite high. The first specialty we have this year is the fourth event, that is panel discussion. This was a secondary event last year, but this year we've added this as one of our main events and as one of the pillars of NRS. Another advantage we have when compared to last year is the sponsorship that we are getting. This is going to help us a lot in organizing the event. We have prize money for the competitions which is covered through sponsorship this year completely. And for the team, this is quite an achievement.
Actually, I completely agree with Sharif that last year has been really tough when it comes to events, getting sponsorships and tie-ups. However, I'm really glad that GSCM is reaching new heights each and every year. And similarly, this year, if you'd like to ask me that what is different and special about it this year, then first of all, this year, the research paper submissions that we've received, the ones that will be shortlisted and the ones that will be selected, they'll be published in a magazine or in a journal called Business Perspectives and Research, which is by Sage Publications. Secondly, this year we have larger associations and tie-ups than ever with really huge global brands like Mahindra Logistics, GEP, Deloitte, Reliance, Epiroc, Resilink Corp and Apple. Other than this, we've received research papers literally from all across the globe, and this happened even though we did not have any international tie-up for getting any research papers, or we did not have any tie-up with any international journal this year. In spite of that, we've received really good number of research papers, and a lot of them are from all across the globe. So that was again a new feat for us. So this is what again it makes GSCM 2021 really special.
Yeah, I think it is a duty, for us also for every year making each and every event special. And I think you both, the guys, Force and NRS, both are doing very much great in bringing that and making the audience also curious to attend in this year's as well.
So the final question for the day is that as you guys are a part of the organizing core team, can you tell us what all can a person learn by attending such events?
For NRS, I'd say the chance to interact with industry leaders, the chance to get awesome insights from people who are actually leaders in some of the brands which are a part of our day-to-day lives, like Spencer Retail, BlackBerry Menswear, and Jubilant Foodworks, which is the parent company of Domino's. So these participants are actually getting a chance to get insights from these people directly. What are their views about the retail in India currently? How the future for retail will be. So I'd say that is actually a great opportunity for the attendees.
Okay, so for me, actually, I'm a person who believes absolutely in 360-degree learning. Okay, and I am a finance student technically, but I'm a part of an operations and supply chain company. So here, be it NRS or the Global Supply Chain Management Conference, I would like to urge all students to have an open mind about learning. I don't want only students of retail management and operations to take these events seriously, because I feel that a lot of times when you have just restricted knowledge or knowledge restricted to a particular domain, it does not always help. Always having an open mind really, it's really great to know something outside your domain as well, because you may be a finance student but you may have to work in a retail industry. So it's always great if I had the perspective that no, I am not associated with retail, or I'm not an operations student. Why should I, since I'm a finance student, I shouldn't be a part of such an event and get to know any insights from those industries. So it's not going to help me, right? So I feel it's always good to have a 360-degree view of everything. That is why I believe that, of course, domain knowledge, what's going on around in that industry, in that domain is very important. Other than that, I feel that when it comes to experts, apart from the technical knowledge, they always have something that will add value to you. Their personal experience, their examples, they're always something that you look forward to, because that will always take you along. So this is what I believe. Besides, other than this, so we also have in our corporate insight session speakers from GEP and Deloitte. So these are companies which have massive hiring programs from reputed engineering colleges, B schools, and they've got really rigorous recruitment drives. So I feel that this would be really helpful for even placement programs to know the company better, to get some insights from the experts themselves from the company. So that's it from my end.
Great. I think that was an extremely insightful answer.
So sadly, now it's time to say goodbye. But until the next time. Thank you so much, Rishabh Arif and Krisha Sanghvi, as it was fantastic to have you both here talking with us. I'm confident that following this episode, our audience will be rushing to sign up for the committee events.
Thank you so much, guys. This was actually a very wonderful interactive session. So thank you for this.
Thank you so much for having us here.
Thank you for tuning in. This is Simsa Radio signing off.